Welcome to the first Contracko Changelog. I'm Budi, the founder, and in these episodes, I will highlight the top features we shipped this month. So the month is not over yet, but I've been very busy prioritizing features that users requested. So first is Clara AI, your conversational legal assistant. So Clara is lovely because she does everything that you could do in the application, but she understands all your contracts. So you can use her for brainstorming about terms, creating notifications, deadlines, adding contracts, establishing your priorities, and more. So I love coming in here and saying, give me a daily briefing, and she will identify that. Now this is a dummy account, so I don't have a lot expiring soon coming up, but she'll say, for example, here we have 8 pending review contracts. And that means AI extraction is run on those, and we need to do a final check to see if we're happy with them. So let's go over them. You could do that conversationally with Clara like this, or in this case, you could go and review these contracts one by one. Now, while I have you here, Clara is also able to open contextually. In this case, she gets all the context of this contract, and you could, for example, ask her to summarize this contract. These are lovely ways to work with Clara. I like using her to do bulk work too, so batch extractions, creating multiple notifications at once, identifying your priorities, and so forth. So here she's giving some suggestions on what to work on, main risks, and so forth. The other thing I want to highlight for you are the audit trails. Now, audit trails are a new feature that is very useful when you're working with multiple people inside an organization on your contract. They allow you to establish how a contract was created and what was changed by who and when. In this case, for this contract, we could see I created this contract manually by uploading this file. An AI extraction happened and filled all these fields, and it's set as ready for review. Now let's say we review it. I'm going to add some lorem ipsum here. I have a snippet for that. And if I save it, we go back to the activity feed, you'll see that it's been updated by me. So notes has gone from having nothing to having this. If I leave a comment saying doing a demo, same thing is going to happen. And what's really lovely is that when you export a contract or a folder of contracts, you get not only a spreadsheet with the contract metadata and the party metadata, so any counterparty on a contract, but you also now get a new spreadsheet that has exactly the activity trail. And this is really good for when you're being audited. You need to show this to a third party, like let's say you're buying or you're selling a company or inventory or assets. And also it avoids vendor lock-in. So if you ever want to move to a different platform or you periodically want to back out your information out of Contracko so that you could store it somewhere else like Google Cloud or whatever, you can do that. Great. So these features were based on user feedback, so I love hearing from you and your use cases. Definitely let me know if you're missing things or want particular workflows supported, and hope to be back with you with the next episode next month. Thanks.